if you love the smell of a freshly baked bread but don't have the time to make it yourself, I've got you covered. Here is a step-by-step guide to making yogurt bread at home so you can enjoy the smell and the taste of a freshly baked bread whenever you want. So let's jump right in. Hello friends and family, welcome back. So we'll begin by adding flour to my mixing bowl. To that is some sugar. Also, I'm going to add in some active dry yeast. To that, we'll add in some salt to taste and also making sure I don't mix the salt together with the yeast because it's going to kill the yeast and we don't want that. And guys, I've also listed the measurements and the ingredients in the description box, so please do check it out. So once it's well mixed, we'll go ahead to add in my warm milk. Also, I'm going to go in with my plain yogurt. And I'm also going to add in some sugar, but you can use your honey, okay? We'll also go in with some water, just a little, okay? I shouldn't have added more, but I'm going to adjust it with some extra flour. So I'm going to start mixing it on the lower setting for about 2 minutes. And to my returning and new subscribers, I really do appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you so much for your support. God bless you. So I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of flour to it and continue to mix. And after a few minutes, we'll speed up and continue to knead it for additional 5 minutes. If you are new here, you are warmly welcome. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join this beautiful family. And thank you so much for subscribing. God bless you. So I'm going to add in some butter, then continue to knead for another 5 minutes. So you can see my dough is a little bit sticky, so I'm going to add in additional 1 tablespoon of flour to make it firm. Now I'm going to go ahead to check the dough if the dough stretches into a paper thin without breaking, okay? And I'm going to shape it into a smooth ball, then transfer it into a grease bowl, okay? We'll then cover it and place it in a warm spot until it doubles in size. After 1 hour later, our dough has doubled in size and it looks perfect. We'll then press out the gas from the dough, then shape it. You can always sprinkle a little flour just to make it firm, okay? If it's a little sticky. So what I'll do is to pat it out a little bit like that, then roll the dough from top to the bottom. And that's about it, guys. And I'm making sure that the bottom goes down there. Once I'm done, we'll place the dough into my prepared loaf pan and let it rest in a warm place for 50 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, our dough has doubled in size and it looks so perfect. What I'm going to do next is just brush it with some oil, then pop it into my preheated oven at 350 for 25 minutes. And guys, after 25 minutes, our yogurt bread is ready. So I'm just going to take the baked bread right out of the pan and let it cool completely. And guys, you could tell this bread is super soft and fluffy, and my house smells so good. So guys, make your own bread at home and you're going to love it. Just look at how perfect it is. You can enjoy this every day as a sandwich, and this bread finished the following day because it was that good. Okay, thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another amazing deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.